Hi everyone. I hope everyone's having a great day. My name is Laura and I'm a library assistant here at the Hamilton East Public Library. Today we will be taking glue, string, and a balloon and making a spooky spider web. Okay, first we're going to put a whole bunch of glue in a bowl. Doesn't matter what kind of bowl it is. I just thought this was a fancy little bowl. So we got plenty of glue. The trick is plenty of glue. And when it comes to the yarn, make sure it's as long as possible. The longer the better. And we're going to take the string and we're going to dump it in the glue. And we're going to stir it around. Not really stir it, but just be careful when you're stirring it because you don't want it all knotted up when you take it out of the glue. Okay, so we're going to take the first string and we're going to wrap it around the end. Like so. And then we're going to wrap. Look at that. And then we're going to kind of wrap it around a little bit at the top. Just kind of keep hold of it. And then we're going to take it around. Look at that. So let's take another string, plop it in there, take a little stick, or whatever you have, stir it around, good and messy. Oh, look at that. Okay, since this doesn't have a side with string, I'm going to put a string right here. So I'm going to wrap it kind of around. We'll hold it onto it like this. Wrap it around. Ta-da. And so this is so short, so let's just do this. Wrap it around like that. I think that's enough right now. That looks pretty good, doesn't it? So what we're going to do is we're going to start wrapping it a different, whoops, you get back there. We're going to start wrapping it kind of around to kind of give it a little bit of different effect. So let's get some more glue on it, some more string. Okay, so we got enough string, I think. Looks pretty good. You can add more string, it's okay. Do whatever you would like, because I got a couple examples here to show you later on. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna tie a string on here. Maybe. There we go. So this has to hang to dry. And hopefully it's in a warm place. It'll dry overnight, but sometimes it might take a day or two. So as long as you have enough glue on there to make it solid. And by the power of magic, one's already done. So what we're gonna do now, it's nice and dry. See, nice and dry. We're gonna take a pair of scissors, you gotta be careful, and we're gonna see if we can pop it. Pop the balloon. Okay, so it looks like you have to cut several places, not just the initial cut, because the balloon will start kind of sinking in and it will take the string with it. So you might have to kind of pull it out a little bit and kind of get the balloon out of there somehow. And just kind of poke, because there's, see all the glue? That is glue. So you might have to kind of poke. Well, this is not the prettiest, and it didn't work out quite right, but I think this looks like a spooky spider web. And if you want to jazz up your balloon spider web, put some spiders on there. Well, I have to glue them or tie them to them. And the lighter the spider, the better. Here's another example. I used black yarn. Thank you for joining me today. Have fun and have a great day. Bye.